This is a screencast on how to change how your table, when you're graphing and you want to see all the ordered pairs and the table is counting by ones, if you want to see and want the table to count by 0.5s in case you want those ordered pairs also. So I've turned on my calculator and I am going to go to, let's see if we have anything in here. So it looks like I have an exponential function in here, which is okay. But if you look, let me go to my table. My table is counting by integers, so I'm counting by ones. Okay, and I can arrow up and down and find all of the ordered pairs that lie on that exponential function if I want. But let's say I'm graphing a logarithmic function and I want to see it count by 0.5. So I want to see negative 2.5, negative 1.5, negative 0.5, 0.5, 1.5, 2.5. So in order to make the table count by that, I'm going to go to this table set right here. So it's in blue, so I have to hit second table set. You can see right now that what I could see from the table, I could see starting from negative 3 and the integers counting up. Right here is where it tells me what my table is counting by. It's counting by ones. So if I can arrow down there, you can arrow up and down. Press delete if you want, and I'm going to put in 0.5. So then I'm going to hit enter. I'm not sure if you need to. We're not going to mess with any of this stuff, the independent or dependent variables. We just want to change what the table counts by. So now if I go back to second table, you'll see that negative 2.5, negative 1.5, all the halves are in there. Okay, so that's one way. You don't necessarily need it for the exponential function, but for logarithmic functions, when we're trying to see that, get that first ordered pair that's a half a unit greater than the h value and that vertical asymptote, this is helpful. Don't forget to change it back. Okay, so to change it back, again, I'm going to go to table set. So second table set. You can see here that back in the table view, I could see starting at negative 1 and working the numbers up, and it was counting by 0.5. So I can arrow down, and I can delete that, and I can reset it to counting by ones. I'm going to hit enter, and then let's go back to our table, and sure enough, it's counting by ones again. I hope you found this helpful. If you have an 84, if you have an Inspire, we can try and find a video on YouTube that will help you change your table set values also. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher.